Hey, everybody. Listen, I have deliveries coming all the time. Those boxes are real crazy, especially if you have those big, fat Amazon boxes. I mean, not Amazon, I mean Costco boxes, those big, thick boxes when they make a delivery or you take them from the store and you got to get rid of those boxes. You got to cut them down. So a regular, um, a regular blade box cutter doesn't really cut it when you really need something a little heavier. So I bought this because we always have some kind of box that we got to get rid of. I have to still charge it, but it does have a little charge on it right now. It came with the instructions that they really say you should read them thoroughly and carefully before you start messing with them. It also says that you're supposed to use this charger to charge it and make sure it's all charged up when you're ready to use it. And it looks like it comes with an extra blade right here. So that's what this comes in. It comes in this nice little case. Comes in a case like this, a nice little case. The box looks like this. So but it's kind of ready to use. Of course, I was playing with it before I, you know, came to talk to you guys. And I want to show you. I got a box here. Just want to show you uh, what's happening with my box. So let me look this way. Let me put it this way. And I just want to show you quickly how you can use this thing. Well, it already comes like this. You just have to turn it. You have to press it this way. See how you press it? When you press it, the light does come on, but you got to press it. And you also got to press the top right here. So I'm going to just line it up this way, for example. I'm going to put it on here. I'm going to press it. I'm going to press both to get it going. And when you get it going, you can cut the whole box down if you like. This is incredible because it's hard to cut these boxes up sometimes, especially when they're big and thick, and you have to even take them to the garbage, and to refurbish them things. The, I can't think of the name, but you gotta recycle. So you have to break the box down, even get the box in the container that you recycle. It's sometimes a little difficult. So that's why I bought this. And I do think it's gonna really come in handy. So you may want to try to get one of these yourself.